Fix, you don't know, old type pop, old type S1, old type OCD every time. But GH, I'm in the building. Old type big show. I see you, this is SB.TV.
Let's spit something crazy to this beat, man.
No
acting, let's spit something.
Yo, newsflash. It's true that I got my juice back. I got that thing for the fiends, but some sticky in the arms like a flu jab. New year, same story, new pad. When they ask how I'm doing, I reply, I ain't doing too bad. I'm fine, thanks, strapped in a nice shank. Around, yo, cut. Wanna get me in the ting in the cut.
Get in, bro, get in, bro.
Yo, these roads are so nuts. You can break down in the ends and get shot before they call the tow truck. Most thugs have got the chrome up. My dogs are my dogs. I don't roll with no pups. I go clubs with a boring air. So sit and talk and get your throat cut. I ain't in the corner where all them bears are coats up. So much heat, it's like a sauna where I'm standing. There's nothing but ballers where I'm standing. I'm by the bar. You don't know I'm placing orders where I'm standing. You ain't getting nothing but rules of abandon. I ain't got jewels of a phantom, but I can make a fool out of all of your man them. I call your companion like yo, you wanna fool of a champion. Cuz,
my nigga,
let me get back in my session.
Alright, cool, fam.
Niggas know I got a rotten buzz. You don't want it, cuz act up and make them show you what the sun does. Married to the street, but I am not in love. 20 in the seat, praying hard I don't get a tug. The other day I had to lose guap, and all I really wanted was some rooftop. Couple niggas trying to get the dude sucked. So what did you go and do? I went and bought a new watch. Food's bosh, and it's still peng. Ain't really gotta lie, we are real men. There ain't no stopping me. Sorta like my flat in June, I'm hot property.
Yeah, what's good? It's Margs from the east side, match time done now. Shout out to SB.TV. Got me in the south side, going hard with Fem Fel. Watching the building, big tapes. Done now, what's good? Yo.
I'm even saying I'm the best, will not let me prove it. I ain't got a lot of talent, but I'm blessed in music. The mother rappers, I give them full marks for trying, but I'm a different gravy. I ain't even hyping. If I could use one phrase to describe him, a raging storm, and you couldn't weather my thing. I start off warm, get hotter as the track runs. I better burn up this bitch before the track guns.
SB.TV, exclusive footage. What's that, Fem Fel, Margs?
Seen him like nothing over here, there must be a power cut. You ain't a nightmare, Freddy will breathe if my cannon pop. Look, everyone bleeds when their anatomies breathe. So go chat to your team like a manager. Bitch please, what you want? Sick thing, obvious. This me, you'll flip like the page of a comic book. Look, I was listening to page in my comic spot. Comic cause my shit be out of space, got it popping up. We're the best out, spotlights on us. We can walk with our chests out. I promise, not topless nigga, we just proud. Fine products of our environment, if I'm honest. We're the best out, spotlights on us. We can walk with our chests out. I promise, not topless nigga, we just proud. Fine products of our environment, if I ain't honest.
This beat, this is a mad one. This track is gonna be crazy. Shit. Yo!
Whoa, Felon, Youngsta, Margs, craziness. SB.TV in the building. Wow. I gotta be the best, track for track. A lot of idiots lack the swag. A lot of mediocre shit. I clean the mess, act relaxed or get infected like my track was snap. These niggas hit the trap to snap. I get my munch on. Dog, I hit the track for cash. I fucking lump sum. And I want G's, I'm a family man. So I stay around more B's than the candy man.
Dalton, Wally, all type Butt Minister, Jody, Ski, Swift, Tim, and you know, Old Town, Size. Oi, my niggas, out with a pump, pow pow, SB.TV. Listen.
We can all fight, we can all draw weapons, but you can't sky when you fly 447s. So I ain't getting what the talk for. Stick in hand like I'm getting ready for the chalkboard. Whatever me say happen. Can't stop everybody like me stay rapping. Arms out like Fel when he stay balanced. Then it's metal in your mouth like DJ talent.
Try to put it back. I'll be shook. Let's get tonton on.
Yo, Margs, look, I talk grease cause I'm stuck in the trenches. I'm in the fields like the trees and the benches. Put a nigga to sleep like he was at the dentist. Shoot him in the mouth, made a pussy need dentures. Closed casket, cold hearted, dumb bastard. I'll let it go, broad day in the market. I'll let it go while you're in the club skanking. As soon as the funky stops and they mixing the bashment. Oh fucking hell with it, running back.
Mixing the bashment, I'll make a pussy spray. From the top.
I talk grease cause I'm stuck in the trenches. I rep the fields like the trees and the benches. Put a nigga to sleep like he was at the dentist. Shoot him in the mouth, make the pussy need dentures. Close casket, cold hearted, dumb bastard. I'll let it go, broad day in the market. I'll let it go while you're in the club skanking. As soon as the funky stops and they mix in the bashment. Make a pussy sprint like it's 2012. Rise the heat, make your berry melt. That's no more instant chat, instant clap. I've got these man moving like the train for the relay. See, I don't mind the beef in the hood, dog, I'm easy. I'll shoot a nigga twice, make it look like a replay. LF, London Fields, you know how we stay. You niggas like D from the wire, I'm like Weebay. Pussies.
You was going all like you was in a zone.
See what it is, yeah? See when you push an animal in the corner, you strike side. Don't do this shit to me, I'm crazy.
Just fucking, it's a madness in that moment.
I'm murdering and spitting if the beat's hard. Rappers get dropped like a weed charge. I get capital, trying to make my P large. I'm rolling around with the face and please barge. Playing games with a nigga, better go practice. I stab you in the back like an old mattress. I never been a gold snatcher. Real spiritual, rolling around with soul catchers. I had to grab the food game back. All my niggas kick and push like the Lupe track. They say I'm real big in UK rap. Still I've got 2 spots like the QK bag. Niggas tripping off my vocab. 12 in an old car. Kitchen is a glow lamp. Brightling, same colour as the old jack. I make the trap stars go mad.
Started at 12, guess who's 4 hours late? Well, I don't know, man. 4 hours late. Yeah, man. I know, man. SB, tie your thing in.
Don't know, young man. I'm just getting it in right now. Big start, I'm Fem Fel, Margs and that, yeah. Little collaboration thing, doing this thing, all tight cream. Go get crystal meth, LOL out now, done now, SB.TV.
I'm on the greasy thing, I don't snitch but the gun does, I let the heater sing. Man, I ain't even gotta reach for him. My little dog might burn ya, I turn, I'm eater's ting. I'm Tyson in his prime, no defeating them. The last niggas that tried, I had to eat for them. Meth's got something up his sleeve again. Write a nigga up with something, and I don't mean a pen. Man, it's the south to the east of things. Real niggas in the booth, you chiefs pretend. Hold tight, mash town, just got the snow white, now I'm gonna mash town.
What? That way, how long took it to
wrote
it
this shit on the way here, man. Just like what? You got me? It's easy for me. I done no SB.TV exclusive shit. No one's even got me in the booth before, man.
I heard them say I don't stack clout. I'm like constipation, cause I trap brown. Double C's, we are back now. Fix Margs Fel and Meth on the same track. Wow.
Get them exclusive SB, you don't know. Trust me, that's very fucking hard. The streets are gonna be ringing that shit up. But everyone on them, man. Shout out Fem Fel. You get me? Stop them. Look out for Fix and Meth. Coming out summer.
Don't know SB.TV. You get me?